Welcome to our channel. I'm glad to be part of our 5 facts. Welcome back to our nature channel. Today, we are venturing into the fascinating world of crows to explore their diet and feeding habits. I'm your host, and in this episode, we will take a closer look at what these intelligent birds love to eat. Crows are highly intelligent and adaptable birds, known for their glossy black feathers and keen problem-solving abilities. They are found in various habitats, from bustling cities to rural landscapes, and have long been subjects of fascination and folklore. So, what do crows eat? Crows are considered omnivorous, meaning they have a diverse diet that includes both plant and animal-based foods. Their adaptive nature allows them to thrive in a wide range of environments, from urban to rural, where they can find ample food sources. One of the most well-known aspects of a crow's diet is their scavenging behavior. Crows are opportunistic feeders and often seek out carrion, which includes dead animals and roadkill. Their ability to find and consume carrion helps keep the environment clean by disposing of decaying matter. While scavenging, crows may also search for discarded human food in urban areas, making them resourceful and adaptable foragers. Crows are active hunters of insects and other invertebrates. They use their sharp beaks to probe for insects hiding in the ground, under bark, or in crevices. Their diet can include a wide variety of insects, such as beetles, caterpillars, grasshoppers, and spiders. Apart from their carnivorous tendencies, crows also enjoy consuming fruits and seeds. They play a crucial role in seed dispersal, as they eat fruits and then distribute seeds over a wide area through their droppings. This helps in the regeneration of plant species in different habitats. Fruits like berries, apples, and nuts are particularly appealing to crows, especially during the fruiting seasons when these items are abundant. Crows have shown remarkable adaptability, and in urban environments, they may scavenge for human food, such as leftovers from picnics or food scraps from garbage bins. While this behavior can cause some conflicts, it is a testament to their ability to thrive in diverse settings. In conclusion, crows are incredibly versatile eaters with a wide-ranging diet. Their intelligence, adaptability, and problem-solving skills make them fascinating and resourceful birds. From scavenging carrion to hunting insects and relishing fruits, crows have mastered the art of survival in various environments. I hope you enjoyed this glimpse into the diet of these intelligent birds. If you found this information intriguing, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more captivating content about the wonders of nature. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more content like this. Your support means a lot to me.